In the industrial era, businesses were built on people. In the digital era, they were built on software.
But in the Software 3.0 era, value is built on something else entirely.
This case file documents the system that replaces the traditional technical team.
Not with automation, not with outsourcing, but with orchestration. The market still believes that building technology requires headcount, developers, analysts,
project managers, entire delivery teams.
This belief made sense when software was slow, rigid, and expensive to change. But that assumption collapses when intelligence becomes on demand. When reasoning, synthesis, and execution can be accessed instantly, hiring labor is no longer the bottleneck. The bottleneck is intent.
This is the neural stack. It is not a product. It is not a platform.
It is a way of structuring intelligence.
The neural stack is how one individual can do the work that once required an entire technical department.
It consists of 3 layers: intent, logic, execution.
The first layer is intent. Intent answers one question: what problem actually matters?
Not what the software can do, not what the model suggests, but what outcome is required in the real world.
Intent is human. It cannot be automated.
This is where most organizations fail. They delegate intent to committees, documents, and meetings.
The neural stack collapses intent into a single point. One architect. One source of truth.
The second layer is logic. This is where modern AI models operate.
They are not employees. They are not replacements for thinking. They are reasoning engines.
I use them the same way previous generations used senior consultants, except they operate at machine speed. They analyze, they simulate, they challenge assumptions. Most people ask AI for answers. The architect uses AI to test frameworks.
This is not outsourcing intelligence. This is amplifying it.
The third layer is execution. This is where AI outputs become real-world action.
Not everything generated by a model is correct. Not everything is ethical.
Not everything aligns with business reality. That is why execution always includes a human in the loop. This checkpoint exists to enforce constraints: legal, ethical, operational. This is where judgment lives. This is why I am building a solutions business with a staff of 0. Not because people are unnecessary, but because coordination is.
The neural stack eliminates the friction that teams were designed to manage.
No handoffs, no misalignment, no translation loss.
Intent flows directly into logic. Logic flows directly into execution. Traditional engineering focused on building systems. Modern orchestration focuses on directing intelligence. The value no longer comes from writing every line of code.
It comes from deciding what should exist in the first place.
This is why orchestration is replacing engineering, and why a single architect can outperform entire teams. Knowledge is no longer a static asset. You do not hire it. You do not store it. You access it. The neural stack turns intelligence into a live stream, filtered, governed, and directed by human intent.
The team is gone. The stack remains. Intent, logic, execution.
Case file 002, the neural stack. Concluded.